Hey guys, just want to post a quick video about what our plan is for these next 3 weeks. We're going to start sending out some material for y'all to work on while you're at home. We're also going to be hosting Google Meets. I'm going to be doing an Algebra 2 one once a week, but our Algebra 2 team will be hosting like 4 or 5 a day. So I just want to show you where those materials are going to be so you know. All right, so first place to look is my website. So you can just Google Alvin ISD Ruff, and it'll be the first one that pops up there. You can even go ahead and click on the Pre-AP Algebra 2, but if you just want to click on the home page, there it is, and then you want to click on your subject, so Pre-AP Algebra 2, and I have it all right there on that first page, so you don't have to go anywhere else. All right, so one thing is a calculator. TI is offering a free 6 months of their calculator on the computer. So the same one that I pull up when we're doing notes in class on my computer, you can get that one for your own computer. Go ahead and click on this. So select software for students, that's what you'll want. Okay, and so you want one of the Inspire ones. The CX is the one like we use in class. That's all you really need. And then there's an iPad app as well. I think it says that on this other page. Yeah, iPad solution. So if you have an iPad, you can get one of the apps there as well. Download in the App Store until the end of April. So I would encourage y'all to take advantage of that because that's expensive software that they're giving away for free right now. All right, everything's going to be posted in Google Classroom, so including this video we're watching right now and all of our assignments, all of that's going to be in Google Classroom as well. So you won't ever have to come back here to my website, but if you forget or whatever, it's here. There's going to be one mandatory assignment posted, and these are going to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So the mandatory assignment, we're following the same exact plan the regular Algebra 2 kids are. And so that's, you'll see this 3-week plan down here. We'll get to that in a second. That's what you are required to do. You're going to turn that in by taking a picture of your work and uploading it to the Google Classroom assignments and submitting it, hitting the turn in button. And I will look at it, give you some feedback in our Google Meet session and in other ways as well. Commenting on it in Google Classroom, maybe I'll send out emails, something like that. Then I'm also going to post an optional assignment. So this is for those of you who have the extra time and want to keep up with pre-AP level work. So this is basically a video lesson of exactly what we would have done in class, along with the homework assignment I would have given you and the answer key, just like we do normally. So if you're sitting there and watching a lot of reruns of The Office and you are encouraged to do more work, feel free to do that. I'm not going to be collecting anything from this. If you want to turn something in, I will give you feedback on it. But like I said, this is optional. So nothing required here. It's just if you have the extra time, if you want to prepare yourself, because you're not going to be taking Algebra 2 again. You're going to go to pre-cal next year. So if you want to be prepared as possible for that, I would encourage y'all to do that. I will stick with the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule for those as well. So 3 times a week, you'll be getting a new assignment. The Google Meet is like I'm holding office hours. It's kind of like a tutorial. It's going to be 30 minutes long. I'm going to do yours on Wednesday at 11 a.m. But you can join any other teacher. Ms. Jernigan's having them every day of the week almost at 1 p.m. And then our other team, you'll see their schedule when we click on this here. So you just click this and it'll take you to a Google Meet looking like this. All right, and then you'll click join now. Cameras failed because I'm using it to record this video right now, but you click join now and you get in there and we can have our tutorial session. All right, 3-week plan for Algebra 2. All right, so like today, Monday, we are going to do some review stuff this week. So we're going to review factoring quadratics. There's a video lesson to help you remember. I did not make this one, but one of our team members in Algebra 2 did. There's some notes for you and an assignment. That's the assignment that I'm going to need you to take a picture of when you finish and turn it in. You can print it out and work it on the paper, or you can just do it in your own notebook, whatever works for you. All right, and so you'll see every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we have a new assignment with a video and notes. Okay, and we have this for 3 weeks. If we end up being out longer than that, then we will deal with that when we get there. Down at the bottom, here's the Google Hangout schedule and who is holding those times throughout the week. So you'll see nothing on Friday there, but you have Monday through Thursday, 5 different times during the day. Okay, all these people are experts at Algebra 2. They can answer any question you might have. So if you can't join me at 11 a.m. on Wednesday, feel free to join any of them at any of their times. All right, so all of this will be posted in Google Classroom as well, so look out for that. I'll be sending an email and a remind to get you to watch this, hopefully. And if you have any questions, use those 3 methods to ask me. Send me an email, respond to my remind, put a comment in Google Classroom. I'm around all day today, so please let me know if you have any questions. And if you are working an assignment and you have a question today, you don't have to wait till a Google Meet to ask me a question. Feel free to send me an email or a remind or a Google Classroom. So I'm here, I'm available for you. Use your resources, and that's it.